loud.
Today I am going to say about
Loud, loud.
Today I am going to say about the smart irrigation system. In India we know that sometimes the farmer will put less water or more water, less water or more water in the crop so that the plants will die. This system will automatically put water into our plants or gardens. This system is very smart because it knows every detail about soil like soil moisture, soil humidity and soil temperature.
I am going to explain about the components used in broadcast, Arduino controller, relay model, soil moisture sensor and
Think this sense about soil. When the soil moisture sensor will sense the soil, it will send the message to the Arduino board. The Arduino board will send the message to the water pump to not think this is a rain outside. When the soil moisturizer will sense the soil, sends the message to the Arduino board. The pump automatically turn on the
On it. Now there is no sensor. Okay.
If we kept it wet soil, it will not on. If we kept it
Nice call. Okay, thank you. You are in which standard? 7th standard.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kanya. I am studying in 6th standard section.
Good morning sir, my name is Rupa. I am studying in 6th standard. Good morning sir, my name is Anurti. I am studying in 6th standard.
So today's topic is Smart Bridge. Smart Bridge is an Arduino project where the aim is to create a prototype of an intelligent bridge that would automatically manage two distinct functions, water level monitoring and emergency management.
Required materials: breadboard, jumper wires, ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires, ultrasonic sensor, 2 servo motor and power bank, and mainly Arduino controller.
We made this smart bridge because during rainy season, the bridge is completely covered with water. Due to flood, many problems are caused to the people. For example, they can't cross the bridge. So here my smart bridge will work like this when the water level is high. When the water level is high, the bridge will automatically increase its height, so the bridge will not sink in water and many people and vehicles can cross smoothly.
In this project, it will continuously monitor for water level, cracks and high weight of bridge. The main aim of the project is to struggle and maintain the lowest of the road. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You are in which standard?
Good morning, sir. This is our project Smart Dustbin. The Smart Dustbin is the automatic lid opener system for garbage, and there is a sensor that detects the person standing in front of the sensor, and automatically the lid of the dustbin will open.
How it sends? Hi. How it sends the? How it sends the
There is a
dust?
sensor. One is
Okay.
transmitter, one is
Okay.
receiver.
Just 1 second.
The transmitter
Just
transmits.
keep the hand. Okay, nice.
I am gonna explain about the working of this model. First, take your trash and keep it near the sensor. Then the sensor sends the message to the Arduino board. Then the Arduino board sends the message to the servo motor to open the lid of the dustbin. Then the servo motor then the lid of the dustbin will open. Then we can throw the trash into the dustbin. It is used for maintaining hygiene, and it is not only used for maintaining hygiene, it is also used for garbage-free and sustainable life for public.
Widely used in premium places and
restaurants and adventurous parks.
it is also used in Japan.
Thank you.
Myself Janani.
Which standard?
9th standard, from class 9th standard. Our model name is Smart Home. As we all know that technology is developing day by day. Using the technology, we can build an awesome home. We have built our smart home with the help of Arduino controller and smartphone, which are capable of operating home devices like AC, fan, geyser, light, etc. automatically.
We have built an app to control this components, room light on, fan on.
1 second. Okay. Now explain.
AC on.
Can you keep here?
Light on.
Okay. 1 second. Can you show there? On. Very good.
AC.
Lights on. Very good.
Geyser.
Mm-hmm.
Kitchen light on. Off. AC.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
So how did you design this application?
Using scratch code.
Scratch code. Okay. So it will automatically give you the code. How it will automatically detect these
So,
sensors?
sir, it will give we have buttons for this.
Ah.
So it will let you to show it is whether AC is on or off.
On or
If it is on, you can off.
It will be labeled.
It will be labeled yes.
Very good. This is a major nice. Hello.
Hello sir, myself Kishore from class 9th. Myself Rohit from class 9th. This is our model firefighting robot. You know fire is very dangerous. In our world, slowly turning to automatic system like firefighting robots, smart machines, etc. And we have used components like flame sensor, Arduino Uno board. And here you can see the components which have been used. And that blue color board has been called as Arduino Uno board. It helps to send messages to all parts of the system, and it also acts like a brain of the system, like our brain, a human's brain. And this is flame sensor, which helps to detect the flame and moves towards it. And this is motor driver, which also known as a vehicle tire. And this is servo motor, which helps to pump water from water tank. But now they have not kept the water tank because it will spread the water towards it, and it will make our place dirty. We will show the practically how it works now.
Whether it should be on or off. So the things that we are using are IR sensors, 4 LED lights.
You can see that when the fire catches in the middle,
Do one second.
the fire truck moves back and pumps the water through servo motor. That's it. You can see that when the fire catches from the right side, it moves towards it and pumps the water.
Okay. Top also it is moving left and right.
This is a servo motor.
Okay. It depends on where the fire is there.
Where the fire is.
Absolutely. Really nice. Excellent product.
Fire, and he may die in that situation. When the fire catches towards the parts of the robot, we can replace the parts of the robot. So it is helpful and reduces the human risk of life. So this reason we have make the firefighting robot. Thank you, sir.
Voice.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Nandhi, studying in 7th standard education. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ashwin. I also studying in 7th standard education. This is our project Smart City. When a vehicle passes this IR sensor, it will change the position or the movement of the vehicle and give the information to the Arduino Uno board. The Arduino Uno board will receive the information and instruct the LED light to be turned on or off, whether it is day or night. It will give the information at any time. And the components that we are using are two IR sensors, 4 LED lights, one LDR sensor,
one breadboard, one Arduino Uno board, few jumper wires for connection, USB cable and battery.
The automatic sheet and control sensor
This
project.
is
Battery.
battery. And this one?
Breadboard,
Arduino Uno board,
jumper,
Arduino
LDR and USB cable. And IR sensor, 2 IR sensor and LED lights. The automatic street light control system is a project to control the street light according to the presence of a vehicle or a person. We are using 2 infrared radiation sensor and 1 LDR sensor. If any person or a vehicle passes the infrared IR sensor, it senses the movement and connects respectively with the street light. First, the LDR sensor connected to the street light turns off by detecting sunlight and turns on by detecting darkness. Now it has detected the darkness, so it has been turned on.
Move the car. Now switch off. Move the car.
It has been detected. Only it can turn on only one side.
Sir, some height is less, so it is not.
Oh, okay. Got it.
If anything comes in front of it, it will turn on the light. After the car passes, it will turn off the light automatically.
Okay.
The advantage of this project is it helps us to by using this idea and implementing it in our society, it helps us to save much more amount of energy and of course money also.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
We are from class 8. Today we are here to give the demonstration of the model of self-driving car.
Autonomous car create and maintain a map of their surrounding based on variety of sensors situated in different parts of the vehicle. IR sensor is used to detect the lanes. It helps them to keep within the lane and follow the line. Ultrasonic sensor is used for pedestrians. It stops automatically when any object, anything or any human comes in contact with it. Arduino Uno is the brain of the vehicle. It controls the whole vehicle. Breadboard for the connection of jumpers. Multiplier for the connection of wheels with the vehicle. And a battery to give power to the vehicle. Now I will hand over Mamita to explain more.
Yes.
I'm here to give the brief description about the real-life self-driving cars. Autonomous or self-driving cars have the potential to reduce the traffic congestion and traffic fatalities by while cars have a driver assist. While cars have a variety of driver assist features such as departure warnings, adaptive cruise control, and automatic braking. Tesla is the example for a car company which is known for making such type of cars. The advantages of using such type of car is to reduce traffic, accidents and deaths. When it finds a pedestrian ahead, it stops until the pedestrian moves away.
Can I sense?
Ultrasonic sensor should be the height of ultrasonic sensor.
Very good.
Do you have any questions that you would like to
Keep some object. 1 second. Can you move back side? Excellent. This is a mini ADAS. ADAS is a very advanced technology where it sells.
Yes, sir.
We just hope in our India it starts.
Thank you. Very good. Very good. This is excellent for you.
So this is our project.
Our project is solar traffic system. So sir, as you know, the normal solar will be filtered in one place and can only get the energy when the sun is directly above it. So our system tracks the sun and aligns it with the sun. So imagine this as the sun. When the sunrise is falling, when the intensity is more on the left, it turns towards the left. When the intensity is more on the right, it turns towards the left. Thank you, sir.
So the components used in this project is servo motor, solar panel, 2 LDR sensor, Arduino controller and jumper wires for connection. The main advantage of our project is to generate more electricity compared to the old one. Thank you.
And what are the items have been used?
Servo motor, solar panel, 2 LDR sensor, Arduino controller and jumper wires for connection.
Can you once again do the demo? Switch off the light. Okay, how it detects the light?
Sir,
By
LDR
the
sensor.
sensors. Here as the sensor, it will detect the sun rays from the sun and then sends the signal for the Arduino controller, and the Arduino controller will send the signal for the servo motor
Right.
and the servo motor will execute.
Sir, and the servo motor will turn from 0, 90 degrees and 180 degrees.
Hello. Voice.
Good morning, sir. This is our model auto car parking system. This system helps organize parking and makes it easier to driver to reach the parking lot. We have used Arduino controller, servo motors, and 2 IR sensor. When a car get into a gate, the sensor will sense and the gate will open. This may continue, and when the car exits, the gate will also sense and send out. The number will reduce. This system used without human support. Thank you.
Okay, so what are the material have you used for this?
Servo motor.
Wait. How it works?
It turn.
No. Can you show me the based on car? Okay, so when here is the sensor.
Yes.
So this is the sensor. So it detects the car. Okay, detecting car. Okay, now take inside. Okay. Now where is the number? How it counts? Okay. Take one more car. Okay. So every time it counts, it incrementally counts. Okay, if I'm adding 7. Eight. Okay. So now exit. Exit also works same.
Yes.
So it will minus it, right?
It will minus.
So how many cars are staying inside is counted?
No, only in and out.
In and out.
That's it.
So total count is 7.
Now 7 car already there. So you can see outside.
Yes.
Very good. Your good name?
Purvi.
Which standard?
9th standard.
9th standard. Good project. Very good. What is this?
Moon surface.
Moon surface. Yes.
This is our Chandrayaan 3 mission. So Chandrayaan 2 was launched on 24th of July 2019. It was launched successfully, but it failed to land on the moon. It lost its connection just 2.1 kilometers away from the moon. So the mistakes were found by the scientists. So it led to the success of Chandrayaan 3 mission. Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14th of May 2020. We have created an app which is called and this is the lander, and inside we have a rover. So it works through Bluetooth technology. Here if we control, the rover comes from that. The rover comes out from that lander and the solar panel on there. So we can't carry any batteries or cable wires to moon.
Correct.
So we use solar energy for the connection between this Earth and the moon.
Can you do once again? Give the movement. Okay, you can control through remote from your.
This is our solar panel for the connection between Earth and the moon.
Yes.
This is the laser light. It examines the surface of the moon and the soil present in the moon. We have used chassis board, motor runners, motors, solar panel, laser lights, Arduino board, etc. for this Chandrayaan 3 mission.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can control from this.
We can control from this.
Go back. Can you take U-turn? One round. And send back inside the road. Close the door. And then Space battle game. Wow.
Good morning, sir. My name is Wilson. Studying in 6th standard physics. Today we have made a game to app known as Sudoku. This is the starting point of the game. If you press this green flag, the game will start. While pressing the right arrow, the rocket will move towards right. While pressing left arrow, the rocket will move left. If you press this space button, the rocket will start shooting bullet. If the ghost touches the edge of the game, or the rockets, your game will end. Sir, it is nice. Sir, it was nice.
Very good, very good. So,
Do you want to try, sir? Do you want to try one?
yes, I will try.
Sir, I will want. Sir, click this.
Where is the mouse? Okay. So I have to click first here.
Sir. First you should click here, then you should play.
Now this one.
Sir.
Where is?
If
Oh.
ghost will touch you, means your
Yes,
game
yes,
will
yes.
end.
So how you develop? What is the code?
Sir, codings and all hidden here.
who developed this one?
Sir, we both.
Very good man. Your good name?
Nisha.
Your good name? Yes. Okay.
Sir, this all are the coding slogans.
Okay.
It is in the form of scratch or block coding.
Okay. Okay. So you can change this images, icons, everything, right?
Yes, sir, we can change. We can change.
Okay.
We can change the characters also.
How many people can play?
At a
Only
time,
one?
only one at a time.
No,
only,
no
at,
multiple.
at a time, only one or two.
Only one. One player.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes.
Myself Shamil Devar. Myself Kaushik.
Which standard?
We are from 8th standard.
8th standard.
Today we are executing our model in line follower robot. This project aims to create a line follower robot which is able to follow a path and reach its destination. Sensing a line and maneuvering the robot to stay on its course while constantly correcting the wrong moves using the feedback from the IR sensors.
So it follows the line.
Yeah, it
Whatever
follows
the pattern you've given.
Yeah, it follows. This project is related to light. Here we use the behavior of light on white and black surface, where white surface reflects all light which falls on it and black surface absorbs the light. In this line follower robot, we use IR transmitters. And IR sensors to send and receive the signal. When IRS falls on a white surface, it reflects the light to the IRS first, and therefore some voltage is formed. When IRS falls on a black surface, it absorbs the light and IRS first do not receive any light. So I hand over Shan to explain further information.
This robot may be used in such industrial and domestic applications such as floor cleaning, transportation, delivery service, carrying goods. And line follower robot may be used in domestic applications such as vacuum cleaner and robot pump. Now I hand over to Kaushik to explain further information with every part.
The two IR sensor helps us to detect the black and white surface, and the motor driver helps us to control the speed, and the battery helps us to give the power for this project, and the motor sensor helps us to run this project. Now I am showing the demo of this project.
Here we use the concept of cafe. When the IR rays detects this white line, it stops for 5 seconds and delivers food.
Okay. Every 5 seconds it will stop.
Yeah. No, when it detects this white line, it waits for 5 seconds. See, the battery is low. And the IR transmitter detects only white and black color. It do not detect any other color.
So here it will stop for 5 seconds.
Here and there.
So how do you define the color white and black colors? How?
Some IR sensors.
These IR sensors, this white color detects the white color and this black color detects black.
So it has already defined color code.
Yeah.
Okay. Example, there are red color. Is there something?
No, it won't detect.
It won't detect.
It can only recognize white and black.
So it just follow the white strip, whatever it is there.
And this may be used in hotels for self-service, and also it may be used as vacuum cleaners.
And this type of model we can see in Indira Nagar.
Ah, yes.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Anisha Shah, studying in 10th standard. So this project is about face mask detection using AI. with different types of machine to learn the data and to perform overtime. Example, the self-driving cars and Netflix. So next I have created this project in the teachable machine. It is a website in which you can train the models and you can test here. After testing, you can import it to PictoBlock. In PictoBlock, I have learned how to use the machine learning blocks, and I have written a script that will detect if someone is wearing a face mask or not. So you are not wearing a face mask. So it is detecting that please wear a face mask and to protect yourself. So if I wear a face mask, it will show that thank you for wearing the face mask. So the advantage of this model is it can be used in crowded areas, public places, railway station and airports. Like during the period of Corona, if they have used this model, the cases could have been controlled. So the conclusion of this model is the machine learning tools is becoming very powerful. It is used in many fields nowadays, like in surveillance, healthcare, gaming and much more. So this is about my project. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely very good. This is very important for the next generation.
Society.
Thank you.